Dear students, welcome to Kota Maths Lab video tutorials. In this video, we are discussing some basic concepts with respect to playing with numbers. A concept being studied here is factor. A number that exactly divides a given number is called its factor. A number that exactly divides a given number is called its factor. For example, we shall now take factors of 4. 4 is divisible by 1, divisible by 2, but not divisible by 3, and hence 3 is not the factor of 4. Hence it is not written 3 here. And 4 is of course the factor of 4. Therefore, 1, 2, 4 are the factors of 4. Similarly, factors of 6. 6, let us start with 1. 1 divides 6, 2 divides 6, 3 divides 6, 6 divides 6. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. Factors of 10 will be 1, 2, 5, 10. Similarly, we can take factors of 24 to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 because 1 divides 24, 2 divides 24, 3 divides 24, 4 divides 24, 6 divides 24, 8, 12 and 24 also divide 24. Let us take another example here for your convenience sake to make understanding better. Let us take 20 as an example. The factors of 20 are, let's begin with 1. 1 divides 20, 2 divides 20, 4 divides 20, 5 divides 20, 10 divides 20 and 20 divides 20. Therefore, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. These are the factors of 20. Interestingly, these factors are all, they begin with 1 and end with 20, that is number itself. Every time you take the example here, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. They begin with 1 and end with the number itself. 1 and 6, 1 and 10, 1 and 24, something like that. In case of 20, 1 and 20. That means the factors of a given number always include 1 and the number itself compulsory. In between, the other number will also come. Hence, we can now list the properties of the factors. The properties of the factors are, let's go on discussing one by one. Properties of factors. First one, 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Yeah, that we have seen. In the list here, factors of 24, to take an example, 1 is the least and 24 is the highest. Therefore, 1 is the smallest factor of every number. And then we have the number itself is the greatest factor of a given number. This is also we have seen. Here in this case it is 24, and it is in case of 10 we have 10 is the highest factor, and hence every number itself is the greatest factor of the given number. And a factor divides. This is a very important property of a factor. A factor divides the given number exactly. That is, when a number is divided by one of its factors, then the remainder is 0. This I need to explain you. Let's look into that. Suppose 20 is there and 20 is divided by 2, that is its factor. It becomes 2 tens are 20. This became our quotient. What is the remainder? Remainder is equal to 0. Similarly, when 20 is divided by 4, remainder is again 0. When it is divided by 5, again remainder is 0. That means when a factor divides a given number, then the remainder is always 0. And next property of the factor. Factor of a number is always less than the number itself or equal to the number itself. Take the example here. All these factors are less than the given number, that is 20. 1 is less than 20, 2 is less than 20, 4 is less than 20, 5 is less than 20, 10 is less than 20, but it may be equal to the number also, that is 20 is equal to 20. And hence, a factor of a number is always less than the number itself or it is equal to the number. This is how we write the properties of the factors. In the next discussion, we'll be taking up the task of or the concept of multiples of a given number. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your support. If you are not yet subscribed to our video channel, please subscribe to our video channel called Kota Maths Lab Video Tutorials.